New build R33 RB25. Today we're going to talk about this Nissan Skyline R33 GTS Sedan. Okay, before I start this, guys, please go down, click that subscribe and like button so we can make more videos like this for you guys. So let's talk about the car, right? So this is an R33 GTS Sedan. Yes, it's a 4-door R33. We call it here the ugly duckling. I don't know where you guys are from, and I hope I did not offend anybody, but this is actually a neglected Skyline in our world. But now with this tandem body kit, which was actually made for a 2-door R33, we retrofitted it for the R33 4-door, and it's looking pretty good. We have also retrofitted the R33 GTR wing to fit the 33 4-door, so we had to kind of shorten it and edit it a little bit to have it fit. The interior of the car is an S15 dash, so we have actually the complete S15 left-hand drive conversion in drift mob. So we have dashboard, center console, glove box, the whole package. Okay, we even have the door cards converted from left to right as well, or right to left as well. Now we have the complete well-done cages in case we decide to take this car to the next level. The roll cage meets all the standards for all sorts of discipline. Let's talk about the engine bay. As you can see, we have an RB25DE plus T. So the turbo and the manifold came from R34 RB25DET Neo. And we also have our VR38 coil pack and our drift mob brackets and harnesses. We also have our oil catch can, which is a must for all RB2025, 26 builds. And we have our custom intercooler, which is a 4-inch intercooler kit that we have built. We have the aluminum radiator and the spall fans. Of course, all of these things are managed by our Link ECU, which controls everything from the engine to the AC to the fans to the fuel pumps and etc. Everything in this car is controlled by a Link ECU. Yeah, you heard it right. We even control our air condition from the ECU. When you step on the throttle 100%, the compressor shuts off, reducing load from the engine, and so many other features we have. We have AC idle up, power steering idle up, you name it, we have it. What we have here is a PowerTune digital dash, which we work with DriftMob and PowerTuneDigital.com. In the dyno, you can see the car runs really nice and smooth, and we made about 300 wheel horsepower and 300 foot-pounds of torque, which is more than enough to get the car going sideways. During our test runs, we were running 275s, 265 tires, semi-slick, and we were still able to spin it. The differential is a welded stock diff, and we are using BC BR series coilover. More than enough for our setup. We have wide angle, quick steer setup, custom setup by DriftMob. Don't forget to hit the like button at the bottom and subscribe to our channel so we can make more and more videos like this for you guys.